WGAN Forum Podcast number 74. Wednesday, March 9, 2022.
This WGAN Forum podcast is sponsored by the We Get Around Network Forum, your source for Matterport, iGuide, and related 3D and 360 platforms, cameras, and third-party add-ons. Visit WGANforum.com.
iGuide providing ANSI Z765-2021 compliant measurements and reporting for North American clients. Introduction by Planetar, iGuide, CEO Alexander, Alex, Licaliot. Property measurement standards are not a topic that gets a lot of attention in the industry media, but they are core to our business at iGuide. Fannie Mae will require all its appraisals to follow ANSI Z765-2021 measurement standards starting April 1, 2022. The ANSI Z765 standard was originally created in the 90s and lately has seen a string of updates in 2019 to 2021. In February 2022, Planetar added the ability to choose a square footage reporting standard for every iGuide. We currently support RECA RMS, which is mandated in Alberta with several other Canadian provinces looking at it, and ANSI Z765-2021, which has been a recommended standard in the U.S., is required in North Carolina for MLS listings, and which will now grow tenfold following the Fannie Mae's announcement. Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. PRZen. Monday, February 28, 2022. iGuide, creator of an industry-leading spatial data solution for use in the real estate, insurance, restoration, property management, and affiliated industries, announces ANSI Z765-2021 compliant measurement and reporting to facilitate highly accurate residential square footage measurements for clients throughout North America. The ANSI standard is the accepted method for the National Association of Realtors and, most recently, by the North Carolina Real Estate Commission. This process has been about bringing our clients in America the best, most accurate services we can align with their systems. We also wanted to be looking at expanding our influence to states like North Carolina, where there is an understanding that reporting the square footage is critical to giving prospective purchasers accurate knowledge and building trust between the agent and their client. We want to be the tool to help facilitate that, said Michael Vervina, the iGuide VP of Sales and Marketing. Developments in the residential real estate market have resulted in a growing number of square footage disputes among home buyers, home sellers, real estate agents, brokers, and appraisal professionals. Due to this, an increasing number of real estate boards are beginning to require the use of ANSI standard when measuring and reporting square footage. Using iGuide significantly reduces the time needed to get the ANSI compliant, highly accurate measurements and obviates the need for manual square footage measurement, calculation, and reporting. Thanks to ANSI, the residential square footage measurements become a point of agreement rather than a point of contention. Most recently, North Carolina began to require real estate agents reporting square footage of their properties to follow ANSI Z765-2021 standard. Many, if not most, appraisers are following the ANSI Z765-2021 standard. The North Carolina Real Estate Commission said in its decision, although real estate agents are not required by the Real Estate License Law or Real Estate Commission rules to report the square footage of properties offered for sale or rent, when they do report square footage, it is essential that the information they give prospective purchasers be accurate. The American National Standards Institute, ANSI, adopted a standard for measuring single-family residential buildings in 1996, called the American National Standard Z765-1996. This standard was last revised in 2003. The standards were developed by consulting with several industry groups, including realtors, architects, and appraisers. For more information on iGuide, visit goiguide.com. About iGuide. Founded in 2013, in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada, Planetar Inc. is the maker of iGuide, a proprietary camera and software platform for capturing and delivering immersive 3D virtual tours and extensive property data. iGuide is the most efficient system to map interior spaces and features accurate floor plans, measurements, and reliable property square footage. By integrating floor plans and visual data, iGuide provides an intuitive and practical way to digitally navigate and explore built environments. Source: iGuide via Planitar, iGuide, PRZen.